Hello children, our topic for today is subtraction of dissimilar fractions. Alright, when we say dissimilar fractions, these fractions are fractions with different denominators. For example, 1/2, 3/4, 7/8, 5/10, and 12/21. As you can see, the denominators are not the same. We have 2, 4, 8, 10, and 21. If the denominators are not the same, these are called dissimilar fractions. Now let's have example number 1. 3/4 minus 1/8. Now here, the denominators are not the same, so we cannot subtract directly. We have to change the denominator of 3/4. So we have 3/4 multiplied by 2/2. So why 2/2? Because if we multiply 4 by 2, the answer is 8. Again, 4 times 2 equals 8. Let's continue. Minus 1/8. Now 3/4 times 2/2 equals 6/8. 3 times 2 equals 6. 4 times 2 equals 8. Now copy this one, so that is 1/8. So as you can see, the denominators are now the same. 6/8 minus 1/8. Now 6 minus 1 equals 5, and then copy the denominator, which is 8. Final answer, 5/8 or 5/8. Let's have example number 2. 8/10 minus 1/2. The denominators are 10 and 2. So we are going to change 2. Copy 8/10 minus 1/2, and then we are going to multiply this by 5/5. Now why 5/5? Because 2 times 5 equals 10. Next, 8/10 minus, multiply this one. So we have 1 times 5 equals 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. So the denominators are now the same. We can subtract. 8 minus 5 equals 3. And then copy the denominator. Our final answer, 3/10. Example number 3. 4/7 minus 1/2. Now here, they don't have common denominators, common multiple. We can do like this. 4/7 times 2/2 minus 1/2 times 7/7. Now if we multiply 7 times 2, that will be 14. 2 times 7, that will also be 14. So let's continue. 4 times 2 equals 8. 7 times 2 equals 14. Minus 7/14. 1 times 7 equals 7. 2 times 7 equals 14. So here we can see that the denominators are the same, which is 14. Now we can subtract. 8 minus 7 equals 1, and then copy the denominator, which is 14. Final answer, 1/14. Next, example number 4. 8/9 minus 2/4. Let's do the same. 8/9 multiplied by 4/4 minus 2 over 4 times 9 over 9. So 9 times 4, that will be 36. 4 times 9, that will be also 36. Let's continue. 8 times 4 equals 32. 9 times 4 equals 36. Minus 18 over 36. 2 times 9 equals 18. 4 times 9 equals 36. So the denominator are the same. Let's subtract. 32 minus 18 equals 14. And then copy the denominators, which is 36. Okay? But 14 over 36 is not yet in simplest form. Okay? Not yet in simplest form. Because we can still divide this by 2. 2 over 2. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. 36 divided by 2 equals 18. Now this will be our final answer because 7 over 18 is already in simplest form. Okay? Next. Example number 5. 2/3 minus 6 over 27. 2/3 times 9 over 9 minus 6 over 27. Let's continue. 2 times 9 equals 18. 3 times 9 equals 27 minus 6 over 27. Now the denominators are the same, 27 and 27. We can subtract. 18 minus 6 equals 12, and then copy the denominator, which is 12. But 12 over 27 is not yet in simplest form. We can still divide it by 3 over 3. Let's divide. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. Therefore, our final answer is 4 over 9. Example number 6. 4/5 minus 15 over 30. 4/5 times what? Correct. Times 6 over 6 minus 15 over 30. 24 over 30, that's from 4 times 6 equals 24. 5 times 6 equals 30. Minus 15 over 30. Again, the denominators are now the same, 30 and 30. We can subtract. 24 minus 15 equals 9. And then copy the common denominator, which is 30. But 9 over 30 is not yet in simplest form because we can still divide it by 3 over 3. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 30 divided by 3 equals 10. Therefore, our final answer is 3 over 10. Next, let's have example number 7. 4 and 2/3. 4 and 2/3 is a mixed number. Mixed number must be changed to improper fraction first. Okay, remember that. 4 and 2/3 minus 2 and 1/9 equals, let's change first to improper fraction. So we have 3 times 4 plus 2 over 3 minus 9 times 2 plus 1 over 9. Continue. 3 times 4 equals 12. plus 2 equals 14 over 3 minus 9 times 2 equals 18 plus 1 equals 19 over 9. Now, these fractions are already in improper form or improper fractions. Next, let's change the denominators. 14 over 3 times 3 over 3 minus 19 over 9. Why 3 over 3? Because 3 times 3 equals 9. Let's continue. 14 times 3 equals 42. 3 times 3 equals 9 minus 19 over 9. The denominators are now the same, 9 and 9. We can subtract. 42 minus 19 equals 23. And then copy the denominator, which is over 9. Now our answer is in improper form or improper fraction. We have to change this to mixed number. So 23 over 9 is also the same with 2 and 5 over 9. Therefore, our answers will be 23 over 9 or 2 and 5 over 9. Okay? Now for your exercise, open your Mathematics 6A book on pages 113 up to 115. Now always show your solution. Okay? Goodbye kids. See you.